Hey there, get ready for some exciting news. Huawei, the Chinese tech giant, is all set to launch their new series of smartwatches with the introduction of the Watch Ultimate on March 23rd. Huawei has been experimenting with innovative and feature-rich wearables for over a decade, and their new releases never fail to impress. Their first smartwatch, the Huawei Watch, was a classic design and a feature-rich platform that was well received by consumers. Since then, the company has continued to push the envelope with new releases. Last year, they experimented with interesting smartwatch options such as the Watch GT Cyber, which has a removable dial that allows you to change the design of the watch and use the core unit for other purposes. Another popular release was the Huawei Watch Buds, a timepiece with a built-in case for two wireless earbuds. The most recent addition is the sporty and lightweight Watch GT Runner, aimed at fitness enthusiasts with a variety of tracking features. Huawei is undoubtedly attempting to differentiate itself from the competition by experimenting with novel features. All these watches have been released in China, but some have yet to cross the border. The Watch Ultimate is Huawei's latest offering, and the teaser image and scant information available indicate that it boasts breakthrough technology. The groundbreaking application called Piercing Up the Sky provides top-notch connectivity, making it ideal for use whether you're climbing a mountain or diving to the bottom of the sea. The Watch Ultimate is designed to provide a professional experience with its tough-shaped design and fully functional bezel scale. The teaser also suggests that the Watch Ultimate will support satellite communications and have a longer battery life to accompany its rugged appearance. However, many details about the new smartwatch remains unknown, including pricing and availability. The product launch event on March 23rd is when Huawei fans will finally get to see what novelties the brand has in store. It's refreshing to see a company such as Huawei creating smartwatches with unique and original features rather than simply copying what's already on the market. This type of innovation not only distinguishes the company from its competitors, but also provides consumers with something new and exciting to look forward to. So mark your calendars for March 23rd and get ready to witness the future of smartwatches. Thank you for watching. Peace out.